QuickBooks blocking catch-up 401k contribution? Here are the solutions. Method 1. QuickBooks desktop blocking catch-up 401k contribution. First, you are enable the catch-up 401k contribution for your employee. Follow these steps. Open QB desktop and select the Lists tab. Choose Payroll Item List and go to the Payroll Item tab. Select New and choose Custom Setup. After that, tap Next and go to Deduction or Company Contribution. Choose the name of the deduction or company matching item, and tap Next. At this point, choose the name of your retirement plan provider. After that, select the account to track deductions. Go to the Tax Tracking Type window to choose the 401k retirement plan. Next, you have to choose Neither for the Calculate based on quantity option. Tap Finish and move to the Employee Center in the Employees menu. Choose your employee's name and go to Payroll Info. Now, add the 401k contribution plan under the Additions, Deductions, and Company Contributions section. Type the amount, and after that, you need to click OK. Second, review the 401k contribution limit. QuickBooks will block you from making a 401k contribution if you exceed the IRS contribution limit. Therefore, you need to make sure that your total annual contribution, including standard and catch-up contributions, does not exceed the limit set by the IRS. Note asterisk: the IRS revises the contribution limit every year. Therefore, it is essential to check the official 401k contribution limit regularly. Method 2. QuickBooks Online blocking catch-up 401k contribution. First, activate the 401k contribution option in QBO Payroll. To do that, follow these steps. Access QB Online and choose Payroll. After that, you should select the Employees tab. Now, you have to choose the employee's name and select Deductions and Contributions. Click plus Add Deduction, Contribution and choose Retirement Plans. At this point, go to the Deduction, Contribution Type tab. Choose the 401k catch-up option and enter the relevant amount. You can select Company Contribution to enable the company match. Finally, tap Save, after which the employee will be able to contribute 401k for retirement. Second, use your web browser in incognito mode if you find QuickBooks blocking catch-up 401k contribution. The accumulation of heavy cache and cookies data in the browser can affect access to QuickBooks Online. As a result, you might fail when adding the catch-up 401k contribution. To fix this, you can access QB Online by running your browser in incognito mode. Here's the table that depicts various shortcuts to run different browsers in incognito mode. Note: do you continue to discover QuickBooks blocking catch-up 401k contribution? If that's the case, consider using a new browser. Third, utilize a new web browser application. QuickBooks Online, QBO, can be easily accessed using several web browser applications. The following table illustrates various web browsers that you can utilize to access QBO on both web and mobile devices. Note: once you start using a new web browser, you will effortlessly add the catch-up 401k contribution for each employee. If you are still facing the problem, read our article at www.a2autocare.com or call us at this number.